great. The spandex scourge. Get out of the road, dummy. Get out of the fucking road. Get out of the road. Fucking arrogant assholes. You're in the way, you may as well go over them all. Either you went straight from the turn lane or you turned from the straight lane. Turn from the straight lane, okay. Yeah, turn from the straight lane. Ah, shitski, I'm gonna run this. Yay! Oh, he ran it. It was a cutoff. And that was a cutoff. Bump. Left turn regret. And it was a cutoff. Wake up! Asshole. Oh, you son of a bitch. We're in the red, you fucking idiots. Yeah, just walk on the don't walk signal, lady, for fuck's sake. Yellow, red, came right around the red. Hi, do you think it could look? Yeah, cut off. That was a cutoff. Don't make that illegal U-turn like that. Derp. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you... Jug handle dive. Massel, Toyotard. Oh, Jesus Christ, stay in lane. Straight from the turn lane. Thank you. Yeah! Trot, turkey. Trot. And she... The hell are you doing? Okay. But what the hell did you just do? Was that red? And you just dove right to whatever plaza that is. U-Haul guy. Ran the red, Toyota turd. Good move, lady. Good move. Put down the sub. Are you gonna stop? Because you're a cameroid. I know you're tight. And didn't stop. All right. I can't go much farther. Exit regret. Hello. How you doing? Zoom.